Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I installed Canon-style bulkhead connectors to make it quick and simple to connect and disconnect the power from the fuselage to the wings whenever I'm either installing or removing the wings. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. I need to drill a hole to install this bulkhead wiring connector on the left side of the fuselage. And I'm going to drill the hole 3 1/8 inch forward of the spar tunnel and 4 7/8 inch up from the bottom of the fuselage. So we need to drill a starter hole here right in the center of that. Switch it to a 2-inch Forstner bit because we want to have a 2-inch hole when we're finished here. So we'll get it started in the pilot hole. Okay, we've got our 2-inch hole. Okay, I'm going to mark the holes for the screws. Okay, we'll go ahead and mark. That's where one of the screws goes. Second one. Third one. And fourth one. And we'll drill the holes for the screws that'll hold it in place. All right, pull the tape off. You have the tape on here to protect the fuselage. And we got the hole, and this will go on here like this. Now we need to strip back some of this wire to put the connectors, the pins on. Now we're going to crimp the pins on. Put it in the crimper. Wire in the connector. And crimp it. And tug on it, make sure it doesn't come off. Now we're ready to install the wires in the plug, and I've marked out on this sheet where each of the wires are going to go, so we'll know in the future. And so it'd be socket number 5 is going to be the nav power. Here's nav power. Socket number 5 is right here. Stick it in there and push it the rest of the way in until it clicks. Okay. Socket number 6 is going to be the landing light. Landing light power is number 6. and push it on in there. Okay, make sure it won't pull out. Looks like it's all the way in. Okay, and then number 7 is going to be the strobe power. Number 7. Okay, and then number 8 is going to be the ground wire for the wing. Ground wire for the left wing is in number 8. Okay, and then the strobe sync wire is going to go in socket number 18. Okay, there's 18 over there. Okay. Okay, now we have the wire connector in there. We'll secure it with the nut. Okay, that's tight. Okay, so this part will be wired with the wires from the wing going to the fuselage. And it'll just go on here like this.